Oh, shoot, my stuff blurry. Hey, hey, Calipari.
You went to powder everywhere.
So, very
Tell mama don't come in here cussing because I'm on my YouTube.
sorry. I reported it.
You ain't on my glue yet.
Because I did.
You did.
I'm like, yeah, I'm not. I'm pouring me a little.
Girl, you act like they're gonna run out. You know.
Katrina, look at this, yours.
Stop messing with it.
Alright, so I'm gonna pour me a little like y'all said.
So, now, I got some.
Yeah, but it's good. You gonna pour you a lot. I was like to pour the whole thing in June and say, I'll touch this right here. So,
Now I'm gonna put the water.
let's make a little. The water kinda activated. No problem. So that was some water.
The water is.
So stir it. See, you see how it's done.
See, mine is almost done now. You put the activator.
So we want to stir it. See, look at that. So I'll pour on
Look, it's sticky.
stir.
I did. You all in my YouTube, and I am gonna post it.
I did not kill.
So do not be surprised to mama.
Me?
Because you should.
No.
Don't mind that doors in the background. But this is where I'm bursting.
Oh my god. That's coming in.
Okay?
Add some water in time.
I need a lot of powder for this. Because it's thick. And I don't kind of have as thick as that. See, it's thick
Yes,
as that.
sticky tea.
It smells like fish.
Don't look at me. That's the pot.
I ain't got time for it.
I showed you. Look at her.
I think this turned out perfect. I'm just gonna put on the table and play with my hand.
And then when you leave the mess on the table, don't be telling mama we did that. And like, cause we did that, like you did last time. She said get cut right and lost. Like some good.
You gotta play with that with your hand.
Huh?
Play with that with your hand for your.
No, I'm not playing with you.
I'm not.
You know you said my name.
No, I did. I was talking to Kadrika because I was
You say
looking at her.
Kadrika.
Oh
Oh, do you have slime in your hand? No.
no. Where's the contest?
You remember I tried to make some slime and it looked like pancake mix?
Nah, don't try to change the subject.
What your contact solution?
Shut up.
That was a fail, so let me show y'all some other glue.
Mom did cook me that.
She ain't cooking that me. I had some cereal. I'm sorry if I'm cooking some eggs.
Not by us.
Yeah, give me an egg.
No.
Give me an egg.
You messing with this slime?
We got some cheese.
I don't know. What was it?
All this time I was not recording. Hey, but today we're about to make some slime. Slime. Okay. That was a fail.
You just have to play with it.
That is, you want to play with mine.
Freaking soft, bro. Here's the
That
soft.
ain't cause you had all that time.
Mine won't come out. It's sticky to me.
That's why I add a little in mine. See, I told you it would come together.
Mine came together. Okay, so you got to make some more stuff.
Let me see that. Let me see that.
This container?
Hey, let me see that towel. I mean, that's it. Open it.
We're not mix that together. It's gonna
I'm missing the slime again. See, I told y'all I know how to fix slime. Y'all just don't know about me. I am the slime queen.